All right, everybody, welcome back to your regularly scheduled programming. We're here at the Sewer Lake. We have an H26 over here, and we are running 6S for the first time. We got some cheapo depot ovonic packs in here, two 3S packs to equal 6S. We got the GPS in there. Let's make sure it's tracking. Track. There we go. All right, guys, won't take up too much time. Let's not forget to plug her in, right? All right, everybody, here we go. 6S. Running the Mad Lizard swoop fin, and I took a little bit of the bend out of it. Too much prop in the water, guys. Too much prop in the water. We'll bring her back in a second. We'll just get these birds out of the way. Ooh, almost hit myself there, guys. Let's see how she does, guys. Dual rate's at 100%, by the way. Hoo-wee! Bend it back a little, best we can. That's good enough, guys. And you know what we're gonna have to do? We are gonna have to swap out this bracket. All right, guys, we straightened out that strut bracket. Not my day already. Not my day already. Let's just keep her close real quick. Packing too much air, guys. It's like 3/4 throttle. Ooh. Lifting, lifting, lifting. It's about half throttle right there. You can feel these cheapo depot ovonic packs are like, they don't have that umph. That's a full trigger right there, guys. Full trigger in the turn. Oof. Walking those sponsons. Whew. What a flip. Let's go get her, guys. All right, we'll try to give her one clean pass before we untape her and see what's going on inside here. Probably take some prop out of the water, guys. Just torquing. Doing the cha-cha. Walking those sponsons. Alright, last pass. Power cut. Wow, right in time. These batteries are dead. All right. Right on time, guys, right on time. But damn, we straightened that on the fly, no problem. Damn, it's all broken. Oh, wow, that's really bad. We might be getting some water in here. We don't know. But what we do know is that she still needs a tuning, and these cheapo depot ovonic packs can still get her to flip. Yeah, when your hands are cold, you can't get the goddamn tape off. Alright, we got no water inside, but we are spitting grease everywhere again. So, yeah, we got no water. Spitting grease. Let's check these temps. I'm pretty sure these batteries are dead. I don't think it's the temps. $113, $104, $107, $120 on the capacitors, $115 on the other one. All right, guys, check these batteries. $360. Yeah, these ones are discharged. Yep, these batteries are discharged, boys. Okay, let's check that GPS, see what we did. Say we did just a little over 50, that's what I would say. Come on, Bluetooth. Where are you at? There you go. There you go, 55, not bad. Not bad. For these cheapo depot ovonic packs. All right, guys, here we go. We toned it down to 4S. Same prop. We'll do a couple spins. We'll get these birds out of the way, and then we'll kind of just rip her a little bit, right? So I have throttle real quick, get these birds out of the way. It's full throttle, guys. Look at that beautiful rooster tail. Just concentrate. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Almost hit that buoy. That was a full throttle pass. Probably about 48, 50, I would say. Yeah, these batteries are starting to die. Saved it. She's fun on 4S, guys. She's super fun on 4S. I'm basically pinning the trigger right now. Ooh, saved it. All right, let's bring her back in. I love that water cooling, guys. I love seeing that water cooling spray out. Up. You know what's freaking hilarious? I didn't start it. See if we can give her one rip. She needs some grease, boys. I can't believe I didn't start that GPS, guys. Batteries are super dead, though. Damn, almost hit that bird. Ah, I love that rooster tail. Alright, that's my cue, guys. That's my cue, guys. everybody, let's see what she did. Let's say about 43 with these dead batteries. Come on. Wow. Wow. Wow, with some dead batteries. I wonder what she was doing earlier. Nice, guys. 50 on 4S with a 4214 CNC prop. All right, let's open her up. And those were our only 2 batteries today, guys. Only 2 packs. Well, 4, but you know, only sets of packs. I actually ordered some yesterday from SMC. 2 3S packs. I think they're the economy, yeah, the economy ones. I think they're 6500s, I want to say. $107, $104. Capacitors, $128. $127. $122. Interesting. Interesting. Tell you what though, guys, I am pretty happy with that. I haven't driven this boat in a couple weeks, so for it to do what she's doing, not bad. What do we do? 55 on 6S, some cheapo depot ovonics. So theoretically, with some 6S SMCs, we should be in the 60s, hopefully. She ran not bad. This entire bracket needs to be replaced. That was a pretty violent flip, but all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. All right, everybody, we're calling it. That's it. We ran her on 6S. We toned it down to 4S. Cheapo Depot Ovonic 6S packs. You know, could have been better, but that's it. Wanted to say, if you guys are interested in this boat, it's going on sale right now. I was selling them for $1,500 a boat, shipped anywhere in the USA, ready to run. Right now it's $1,000, shipped anywhere in the USA, ready to run. You get all your hardware, a 3660 SSS motor, 150 amp marine ESC, 2 high performance turn fins, and that's kind of it, guys. It's a hydroplane. So if you guys are interested, contact is in the description of the video. We'll take care of you guys. So thanks for sticking around. We'll see you next time.